Who loves chocolate? I most certainly do. And who wants to learn how to design a chocolate bar? Packaging design is an essential part of being a professional designer, and going through the whole process with me, from idea to finished product, is the whole idea behind this class. I wanted to walk those who have not done a package design before through the entire brainstorming process and getting you to think in 3D. We will look at a real chocolate bar wrapper to get a sense of how to design for a front and a back and to create a layered, sophisticated design. We will block and lay out our design using Adobe Illustrator, and we'll work with patterns to create one that will match our theme for our chocolate bar. We'll even use a mock-up in Photoshop to apply our bar design to present it in our portfolio or to a client for approval. Lastly, we'll take our final design and make it ready for the printer, including how to export files and how to separate our design so we can get our stickers and wrappers sent off to become a real reality. I recommend this class for any aspiring designer who's interested in packaging design and how to create a tactile product that is both eye-catching and reaches its target audience in terms of appeal and design. So, let's learn together.